ụmụnne m, o nwere ife nwanne anyị nwoke wetara anyị. Ọ sị na ya chọrọ ịgwa ndị mmadụ bifo ị nụọ nwaanyị gị jee ka ị jụọ ese na ihe a melie ga-abụ nya egzampụl ife nya ji were ekwu ya. Maka na ọ bụrụ na ya jụrụ ese na o nwere ike na ya ma ngabiga ihe niile ya gabiga unu na-achọ ịnụ kịta. Ka anyị ga-ene tugeda ka unu nọ. Ike gwụrụ.
Good evening. Well, it's a very long story. Yeah, it's a very, very long story. I don't even know how to start it or how to end itself, but it's just a life story. Well, let me just try and summarize. Well, I married my wife as a virgin, and we are just living as normal people. Then we had our first daughter, and our second daughter. But on this process of being married to her, I found myself going down, down, down. Like I was rich, but all of a sudden things started going down as the year progresses. Things now got down. So at some point, I don't even know more. I don't know TB. I'm not even. Yeah, I'm not this strong for TB. I'm not even this strong for church. But we just they pray to survive from hand to mouth. So along the line, then we had our last child. Now we have 3 kids. So after Mbomucharawa, then because I'm 3 years after Mbomucharawa, then she came back home and she was like she had a dream and she saw 2 old men. Was like, we have given you what you want, so it is time. Then she woke up and was telling me, I said, it is time. You want to die? What is it is time? Like, what's the meaning? She said she doesn't know. That was how she fell ill. That was how she fell very ill. Sickness with me, and I don't even know. I got hospital. I say, oh, I know malaria and ulcer because I'm with ulcer. But the thing tormenting her is way, way more than malaria and ulcer. Like it's more of spiritual. So the thing I'm not tormenting to the extent I started spending money. Already when we've been married, I started selling my properties I acquired with her. So when Baba Baira was young, then I don't even have any money on me. Then I had to even sell my last property to I saw a spiritual problem. Then I got one to which I saw always a one only the area so that to be done in a war. So I was like, yeah, I'm not coming here with the one and all this kind of thing. But at some point, started going for places looking for solution. It was a very long one, but at the end of the day, and the process she encountered, like at some point she was mad. It was the people who take care of her. At some point her body was numb. At some point, boil all over her body. At some points, she can't even walk. Like a lot of problems going up and down from one church to another, from one native house to another. Like I was even exhausted. So at some point, I was like, I don't even know. Even if my son, because at that little, after the hospital call, then she was having all kind of sickness, spiritual sickness, which I don't even know where all these things are coming from. But I got a test, lab now, malaria and ulcer, all we home about a lot of spiritual stuff. So at the end of the day, we have to admit that okay, I saw Gazako. Then at the end of the day, Ozako. So then everything was going fine. She can now see vision. She can see anything. She has power and a lot of man. It was a whole lot, but at the end of the day, she was like, then Uruzuri this year. Then she just celebrated. She just threw a big party, like she uttered a celebration of life because of what she passed through in her journey, the sickness and all that. And then a mere celebration of life. And I was like, you're not even healed properly, and you're celebrating all these things. I said that not celebrating, she'll be fine. So celebrating on January, then on March, she just died out of a blue moon. I was like, really? Like the thing was just a shock of life. after all we've passed through, after any Niger bigger, then now you are in your prime. Then all these things just happened. Like, I can't even believe. How will I cope with these children? Now you started making money because she has started making money. Like, people, my house is now a busy business place. Like, she does spiritual works. Like, it was really working for her. When I mean working for her, not small, in a very big way. Like, she's not getting fame because she was making money now. But all this while she was working, her health is still not in order. She was just carrying her health and saying one day she'll be fine. By March she just died just like that. So that was a really big blow. So in summary of all these things, she's not a bad person per se. She's not really bad. She has not done anything bad to me, but maybe the spirit in her really draw me back, like seize all my money or like not making things work out the way it should, something like that. But in all summary, advice I would give to any young man trying to marry: if you want to marry, you should try and go and check the lady you are marrying, because I married her as a normal girl. But after years, then all these things surface, all these things happen. So if you are trying to marry as a man, you should try and go and check the lady you are marrying, because I married her as a normal girl, but after years, then all these things surface, all these things happen. So try and check, check who the person is. Marakwa ma ihe ga-emenwu, mara ma ihe ga-esi na ngwa mewa, or he can just drop for the person, because for real, I didn't even bargain for this, but it just happened to me. Like, I'm just telling you. But if I start explaining a lot of things, but I just cut it, because this thing happened. We dated for 2 years and married for 8 years.